If you've been paying attention, then you know some very big changes are happening right now. Federal updates to the mechanical codes loom on the horizon, but already states are showing a commitment to safe venting practices in various ways. For example, Schedule 40 PVC is simply banned in certain heating applications across Canada, New York City, Massachusetts, and loads of other places throughout North America. Mechanical codes vary by state, and it's a bit complicated, but specifically in Idaho and Colorado, if you install a UL 1738 tested and approved system, you're good to go. But if you want to use a lesser grade polymer, like Schedule 40 PVC, there's an additional specific pressure test that must be conducted and passed by an inspector. In Idaho and Colorado, non-UL 1738 plastics installed as exhaust vent are subject to a 5 psi pressure test at the time of inspection prior to being connected to the furnace, water heater, or boiler. Those tests can take up to 2 hours to complete. When you combine that with the mandatory cure times required by glued systems, you've added a bunch of headaches to the process and over a full day towards the completion of the job. When you use a listed vent system like Centrotherm InnoFlue, you already know the material you're installing is designed to safely function on these high-efficiency heating applications, and it's already passed these tests. Centrotherm InnoFlue also comes with a warranty backing it up. Get in touch with us to learn more.